Skywall 100 drone. To address the growing threat of drones, the Skywall serves as a game-changing drone defeat system developed by OpenWorks Engineering Limited. It offers a proactive and effective solution to safeguard critical infrastructure, public spaces, and events. The Skywall 100 is a handheld system that empowers operators to physically capture drones using a specially designed net, ensuring a quick and precise response. On the other hand, the Skywall 300 is an automatic system that combines compressed air and advanced tracking technology to effortlessly intercept and neutralize drones. These systems can be seamlessly integrated into existing security frameworks, providing enhanced protection and peace of mind. Rheinmetall Oerlikon Skynex. Unveiled in the early months of 2021 through a video presentation, the Rheinmetall Oerlikon Skynex emerges as a dedicated solution aimed at safeguarding critical installations against threats from the skies. Its primary purpose revolves around effectively countering aerial attacks by incapacitating drones, cruise missiles, and other airborne hazards. At the core of the Oerlikon Skynex system lie several components, with a particular focus on systems designed for detecting, controlling, and designating targets. These elements can be complemented by a variety of options, including a rocket launcher, a laser-based launcher, or a launcher for countermeasure missiles. Operating in harmony, the system establishes a remarkably efficient, multi-layered defensive structure capable of addressing a wide spectrum of airborne risks. Covering a distance of 4 to 6 miles, its operational range ensures suitability for diverse scenarios. Rafael B-Net Nano. The Rafael B-Net Nano, an innovative product by the Israeli company Rafael HQ, ensures exceptional communication quality in challenging combat situations. This technology presents a software-defined broadband radio system designed for smooth transmission of voice and video, characterized by minimal delay and reliable connectivity. This radio system stands out with its impressive network capacity, allowing all ground, naval, and airborne radio units to seamlessly merge into a unified mobile network. Noteworthy is its capability to support up to 1,000 users simultaneously. Even in GPS-deficient areas, the B-Net Nano radio remains effective. Additionally, the system autonomously optimizes and configures communication channels, thereby enhancing both tactical and strategic decision-making capabilities. Dedrone Drone Defender. This extraordinary creation from the United States bears a resemblance to a science fiction weapon and holds immense potential in countering drone threats. The manufacturer has demonstrated remarkable ingenuity, envisioning this product to serve not only military purposes, but also law enforcement agencies and the safeguarding of vital establishments such as embassies. The operational concept behind this innovation is straightforward. Simply aim the device at the target drone and initiate the blocking of radio frequencies. The subsequent outcome depends on the drone's characteristics. Some drones will be compelled to land immediately, while others will autonomously return to their takeoff point. With a range of 2 kilometers and an impressive operational time of up to 2 hours, this development showcases its adaptability and endurance. Elbit Systems Legion X. Drawing attention to Israel's captivating military advancements, we delve into their groundbreaking achievements. In 2021, Israel took the lead as the first nation to employ a smart swarm of AI-controlled drones, revolutionizing target detection, identification, and engagement. The operator's role simply involved pointing in the desired direction and issuing commands. Today, we showcase Legion X, a system designed to effectively control these swarms. Notably, Israel's solution stands out for its versatility, catering to a wide range of unmanned vehicles, whether ground-based or airborne. The system's universal architecture allows for easy modifications, including compatibility with the renowned Robot Operating System, ROS. Furthermore, certain models of Legion X possess the remarkable capability to operate autonomously. Red Apple. The Turkish landing strip, Anadolu, is slated to serve as the carrier for the impressive Kızılelma drone. Its exceptional specifications make it a force to be reckoned with. Operating at an impressive flight altitude of 7,500 miles, it reaches unprecedented heights. With a range spanning nearly 623 miles, the drone can cover vast distances to accomplish mission objectives. Moreover, the Red Apple boasts a substantial payload capacity of 3,307 pounds, enabling it to carry various equipment and weapons. Reaching a maximum speed of 497 miles per hour, it ensures rapid response and agility in critical situations. The Kızılelma drone will be available in two versions: Miaz A, operating at subsonic speeds, and Miaz B, capable of supersonic performance. This versatility allows the aircraft to adapt to diverse operational requirements. Links. Moving on to infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, constant upgrades are essential to maximize their effectiveness in defense and offense. The KF-41 Lynx IFV, developed by Rheinmetall, exemplifies such innovation. Notably, the Lynx IFV incorporates the Spike anti-tank guided missile system, enabling engagement of armored vehicles, fortified structures, and enemy soldiers. The Spike system has a range varying from 0.12 to 3 miles and is utilized on ships, helicopters, and in portable variants. Alongside the Spike system, the Lynx IFV is equipped with the Lance turret, which houses a cannon. The turret is designed to minimize radar signature and optimize thermal detection. It also features an updated exhaust gas diversion system to reduce thermal detection. The troop compartment of the Lynx IFV can accommodate 12 soldiers, including the 3 crew members. The Çaytak M200. Shifting our focus to long-range precision weaponry, the Çaytak M200 Intervention emerges as a supersonic sniper rifle capable of accurately engaging targets beyond 6,500 feet. Its high ballistic coefficient enables it to maintain supersonic velocity over long distances, making it a formidable weapon. The rifle scope can be augmented with night vision devices and an infrared laser for target elimination. Equipped with a specialized computer and connected sensors for wind, temperature, and atmospheric pressure, the M200 ensures effective long-range shooting. The rifle's design allows for easy disassembly, with a detachable barrel for convenient transportation and storage. Its collapsible stock slides forward, locking in place for enhanced stability. Drone Gun. The Drone Gun Tactical is a groundbreaking device that revolutionizes the concept of drone control. Rather than being a conventional firearm, it serves as a portable drone mitigation solution. Designed with safety in mind, it employs a powerful signal to neutralize drones effectively. By disabling the drone's antenna upon impact, it triggers the drone's safety mode, prompting it to either land or return to its operator without causing any harm. The remarkable feature of the Drone Gun Tactical is its impressive operational range of 2 kilometers, enabling users to engage and neutralize drones from a significant distance. Additionally, its portable design allows for quick setup, ensuring swift response times in critical situations. Vision 60Q UGV. One of these incredible inventions is the V60, a mid-sized agile robot quadruped manufactured by Ghost Robotics. Designed based on the biomechanics of a dog, the V60 proves to be a versatile and reliable military companion in various terrains. The U.S. Homeland Security is currently conducting trials to assess its effectiveness in patrolling the southern border, while the UK Ministry of Defence, UK Army, and Australian Army are evaluating its potential for frontline commands and combat tasks. With a rugged design, interchangeable legs and arms, the V60 quickly adapts to new environments. It weighs 112 pounds and can carry up to 22-pound payloads, such as rifles. Remarkably, it can be assembled and disassembled within just 15 minutes. Equipped with enhanced situational awareness and 360-degree views, the V60 can traverse various terrains, walk, run, crawl, climb, and even swim. Its portable wireless charging system provides an impressive range of about 6 miles on a single charge and an operating time of up to 21 hours in standby mode.